All right, we're gonna do some reverse crunches. Try and get the abs the ladies want to grab. All right, here we go. Good stuff. Set a timer, make our notes. Get some of this AC. Ooh, it feels good. Some wind. I heard tell it's really blowing on me. 30 seconds. I've been doing abs every day. I know you're supposed to give muscle groups a day of rest, but one, abs are one of those exercises, or one of those muscles that can recover pretty damn quick. And I think, I don't know, but I think it's because they're not like joined at a, they're not connected like at a joint. So that's just my theory. I don't really know why. Now, here we go. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not breathing hard, not working hard. You're not working hard, you're hardly working. Just being lazy. Never gonna see any real change that way. 10 seconds. Oh, yeah. Here we go. I am not ready to go up on weights yet. On that last rep, I can only get about halfway up. Halfway. All right, guys. Next exercise I'm gonna do is a neck exercise. I haven't done those in a while, so should be good. Should be hard. All right, subscribe, share, comment, like.